Okay, so we're up here in the attic, and we have a situation where when the system is sent a message to go on, this piece here turns and opens up the baffle inside this ductwork, which in turn allows the air to flow through it. So what we're dealing with is, as this turns to open it up, when it gets to a certain point, it disconnects momentarily and shuts down the air handler, and it shuts down the compressor outside for a split second, and you hear a thump in the ceiling or attic when you're up here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace this box right here. It comes out of this orange shell. You have to be very careful about how you rewire this, and we'll replace this so that whatever is wrong with this connection inside here, we'll take care of that problem and we won't have this thump anymore. So here's the new part, making sure it's the same one, and all we're going to do is exchange the wires in the same positions that you see there. I've already disconnected. There's a little clamp on the back here. I pulled it off right here. I took the clamp off and pulled this off. This is for the baffle. You can hear that. That's for the baffle. And this is the motor. So we're going to take this off. This piece goes on the new, this old piece goes on the new one. Little Allen wrench to put into that socket right there. And it's not budging, so I'm going to hit it with a little WD-40. There we go. Okay, we've taken the old wires off, replaced them on the new version. On the back here, I'm not connecting the baffle yet. I'm not connecting the baffle yet to this because I want to make sure when I turn it on now that this is the off position, because when I screwed it back on, you don't know if this system has been set in the off position, and this is where this bar should be. So I'm going to turn it on, and if the system goes on and runs, I'm going to wait for it to shut off and then realign this so when it's in off the position it's facing this way. Okay, so we're going to test it now. We just started it up. There it goes. There we go. Okay, now we'll send a signal to shut it off. There we go. Working good. Okay, all the wires are nice and tight. And we're all set. Thank you. Good job.